Okay children, welcome to the world of science. Okay, welcome to the world of physics. Today we are going to learn about force. Okay, what is this force? Daily when you get up, you will do, when in your routine you will do many activities. Like see here, I'm holding a pen and moving my hand. I'm walking here on this desk here and there. And opening the door, closing the door, many activities, so many activities we will do in our daily routine. How we are able to do these daily activities or any activity what we are doing? We are able to do all these acts only because of force. Not only we, even our ancient people, ancient scientists, they investigated many things about force, how it is useful. They want to learn about force. And our father of modern physics, who is father of modern physics? Aristotle. Even Aristotle told that without force there is no world. Only we are able to do all the things, we are able to live because of force. Not only that, ancient people told that everything what is happening in the nature, that is seasons and changes in the stars, moon, all these things only because of force they do. Okay, so now we are going to see what is this force. They discovered many things and the scientists gave us many things. What is this force? Force is a push or pull action on object. A push or pull action on an object is called as force. Suppose I am sitting here and I am taking a table towards to me and dragging a table towards to me. That is nothing but pull. Suppose I am sitting here, I am standing here and I gave a push to a chair. That is nothing but force. So what is force? A push or a pull action is called as force. Okay children. So a push or pull action is called as force. If you are taking water from a well, that is nothing but force. There you are doing a pulling action. Suppose you are closing a door. What you are doing there? There you are giving a push. Suppose you are opening a door. What you are doing there? You are opening the door by pulling it. So the push and pull action on an object is called as force. Okay children? So what is force? A push or pull action on an object is called as force. Okay. Then what are the types of forces? There are two types of forces. There are two types children. What are they? The first force is contact force. And the second one is force at a distance. Contact force or force at a distance, or it is also called as field force. Contact force or force at a distance. What is this contact force? I am telling you, here I am holding a pen in my hands. In between my fingers I just kept a pen. What does this mean? I am using some force to hold this pen. Okay, here this is one object and this is one object. My fingers are one object and this pen is another object. So here the two objects are in contact. They are in touch. So what is this contact force? When the interacting objects what are the two objects interacting here? Here the two objects interacting here are my fingers and the pen. When they are in touch, the interacting objects, when they are in contact, that force is called as contact force. When the two interacting interacting objects are in contact, that force is called as contact force. For example, children, I told you that I just took a chair towards to me. That means I pushed a chair towards to me. Then what are the two interacting objects there? The chair is one object and my hands, that is one object. So these two are in contact, they are in touch. So that force is called as contact force. Okay. So first of all, what is force? Force means a push or pull action on an object is called as force. And how many types of forces are there? There are two types of forces. What are the two types of forces? Contact forces and force at a distance or field force. What is contact force? The force where the two interacting objects are in contact. So what is the definition, children? What is the definition for contact force? The force where the two interacting objects are in contact. That force is called as contact force. Then what is a field force or force at a distance? The second type of force is called as force at a distance or field force. Then what is that field force? When there is no physical contact, when there is no physical contact between the two interacting objects, that force is called field force or force at a distance. So, first of all, what is force? Push or pull action. Push or pull action on object. So, this is called as force. And there are two types of forces. What are the two types of forces? Contact force and force at a distance or field force. Contact force. What is the definition for contact force? The force where the two interacting objects are in touch or in contact. That force is called as contact force. Then what is a field force or force at a distance? When there is no physical contact between the two interacting objects. For example, take, what is this, children? What is this? With the North Pole and South Pole? Yes, you are right. It is a magnet. When you get a nail near a magnet, what will happen? It will get attracted. Is there any touch? Initially, is the magnet in contact with the nail? No. Just you kept the nail at a distance, but the nail got attracted. Some force pulled the nail towards to the magnet. That means there is no physical contact between these two interacting objects. Such force is called as force at a distance. Okay. Now we are going to see. Okay, children. Now we are going to see the types of different contact forces.